The following message was the request of the Tennessee Police Department. An unknown rainbow has spawned in Tennessee Friendly Park. The Tennessee Park was closed and do not investigate the rainbow. The following message was the request of Tennessee Police Department. Now the ponies has spawned out of the rainbow and trying to be friendly. Do not approach these ponies because they're be suspicious about what about to do. The following message was the request of the Tennessee Police Department. These pony characters are the most unpopular show called My Little Pony. At this time, all residents need to stay calm and ignore them. The following message was the request of the Tennessee Police Department. Rainbow Dash has planned to kill these people. Applejacks has to poison these apples. Do not approach them because it can be toxicated and you might get killed. The following message was the request of the Tennessee Police Department. The ponies are now haunting people for apples and toxicated stuff. If you see these ponies, call animal control immediately. The following message was the request of the Tennessee Police Department and the emergency agency. The My Little Pony characters are now psych ponies and they're attacking and killing the living. At this time, all residents are advised to shelter in place immediately. Please stay tuned for the following. The following message was the request of the Tennessee Police Department. The ponies are now attacking and killing the living. Shelter in place immediately. Lock all windows and doors. Seek wall cracks around the entrance. Turn off television and air conditioning units. Turn off all lights and seek immediate shelter as safe as possible. Get batteries, phones, chargers, radio, and get a first aid kit from the room. U.S. military are trying their best to defeat these ponies, and most importantly don't panic or it will make this situation worse. Stay in your shelter until the all-clear signal has been given. The all-clear has not been given at this time. The following message was the request of the Tennessee Police Department. The end is near, at approximately 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Rainbow Dash has pushed the asteroid into Earth, and it was the best ending you ever had. U.S. military has failed this situation because these ponies are too powerful. There's nothing we can do to stop this situation. Pray your final moments and say your final goodbyes together. We just had to get through this together as a family. The President of Mexico has selected a book from the Bible. Please stand by.
En el principio creó Dios los cielos y la tierra. En el principio creó Dios los cielos y la tierra.
In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth.
En
in,
el, 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 principio,
beginning,
principio, creo,
created,
creo, Dios,
God,
Dios, los,
the, plural,
los, cielos,
heavens,
cielos, y,
an,
y, la,
the, feminine,
Now the national anthem will stand by for the emergency alert system.